Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and for the returning subscribers, thank you for always clicking back and watching my videos. Guys, today I'm so happy for the 265 subscribers. Let me just clap for you guys. Guys, I'm so excited. Guys, for those who are yet to subscribe, please subscribe. I'll celebrate you like I should. Yeah, I will. Guys, for those who ask if all the things I bring to YouTube do work, yes, they work. It might be my friend doing that, or myself. I've worked on that site. Yeah, so you just have to work hard on those sites before you make a significant amount of money. Yes, you won't make a lot of money if you visit the site for only 5 minutes. You have to dedicate your time on that site. So guys, today I'm not here to lecture you guys. I've brought to your site you can make money through doing simple tasks like clicks, viewing people's content, and you make money. This site is a worldwide site. You can work from anywhere and any place, guys. Guys, remember to watch this video till the end of the video, because along the way, guys, I'll let you know the secret behind making more money on that site, or what I did specifically to make that amount of money I made. Guys, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment, and I'll be so grateful. So guys, without wasting time, let's get into the video. Welcome back, guys. As usual, guys, the site is found in any browser. So personally I use Chrome, so you'll go to Chrome, guys. On your Chrome, you'll type in timebucks.com and search, guys. Guys, once the site is open, this is what you'll see. You'll get paid to post on Facebook, view funny slides, play games, install apps, complete microtasks, answer surveys, and many more. There's daily bonuses, guys. Each day there is a bonus. Once you hit the target, you get a bonus. There is referral program. Once you refer someone, you'll get something out of what he or she earns. And on this site, guys, they pay weekly. Every Thursday you are paid, and the support system is so friendly, guys. So that's all about the site, guys. So guys, I'll take you through how to create an account with this site. So guys, you'll click sign up. So guys, after clicking sign up, guys, I'll write the email I want to use, password, repeat password, I'm not a robot, and click sign up now. So there is a link sent to my email, so I have to confirm my email before I start working, guys. So I'll go to my email and confirm the email, guys. Hello guys, remember to subscribe to my channel. Stop watching and not subscribing. Stop being that selfish. Please click that subscribe button. You won't be charged anything. It's just free, and on my side I'll be happy for the addition of a subscriber, and I will definitely celebrate you. So please subscribe to my channel, because on this channel, guys, I bring site I've used, or a site my friend is using and she or he is making money out of the site. So please subscribe, like, share, comment, and let's continue with the video. Before you can use Timebucks, you must agree to these terms. So I'll click I agree. So guys, after confirming your email, guys, you are given a bonus. So after that, guys, you have to finish up your profile. You'll give yourself a name, give your real names, address, and everything. So I'll use that, my address, date of birth, postal code, country, gender, female, region, Nairobi area. Then click update. Please confirm the following information is 100% correct. You will not be able to edit it in future, so I have to click confirm if I'm sure it's the correct. So guys, use your real names, use your real address. Yeah, you won't be able to correct it in future. So I'll click confirm. So I've already updated the profile, so I've been told I can no longer update it anymore. So guys, I think you have noticed I had been given a bonus of 0.5 So after updating the profile, guys, I've been added a 0.1 bonus. So there are so many bonuses on this site, guys. Please run to that site, apply, not apply, create an account with it and start working. It's not that you will become a billionaire with this site, guys, but you can make small cash from it, guys.
Hey you, why not a subscriber? Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment. I'll be so grateful. Take me to 1,000 subscribers and I'll be so grateful. Thank you for those who have subscribed, and let's continue with the video, guys.
So guys, when you want to start tasking, guys, you'll click on these 3 lines up here. For you to start earning, you'll click earn, but let me take you through few things about these things here. So for earnings, it shows you how much you have earned that day. So I've earned nothing because I've not tasked. I've only earned through bonuses. Referral earnings, these are the earnings you get from the people you have referred, and that's the percentage you get. Maybe that's the earnings you get from them. For earn, when you click earn, guys, this is where you'll get to work. So there are surveys, content, tasks, refer, and off walls. On advertise, this is where you can become an employee by just advertising your work, guys. On payments, guys, this is where you get to see your payment history and how much you have been paid. Yeah, and I think that's all, guys. So let me take you through how to earn on the site, guys. You'll go to earn. So guys, on this site, guys, you can earn through surveys, content, tasks, refers, and these. So guys, I only have this earning for now because I've only did one task. That's why I have a 0.001 earnings for today. So when you want to task, you can use content, tasks, refers, and surveys. I prefer doing tasks and content, guys. So we'll click on content and see how it works. So on content, guys, we have clicks, engage, and push up clicks. I do clicks. On clicks, guys, you are given instruction. When you scroll down, you are given instructions down here. You have to view this thing. You have to click and view it for at least 5 seconds. Then you'll get to earn 0.001. And guys, you should put in mind that there are 36 tasks. So you have to be so quick before others grab the task. So you'll click view and wait for 5 seconds before leaving that site. I don't know why it's not giving me the warning, but after 5 seconds, guys, you can go back and you had that bell. It means I've been awarded $0.01. So I'll again do this one here. I'll click and view. After 5 seconds, I'll go back. It's not a must to follow, but you can follow if you wish to, but it's not a must. I think you already had the bell. That means I've already been awarded. I can go back. You just do that, and I think you can do that as many times as you can, because these are things you can do while working, while doing other stuffs, because it's just simple things, guys, and you get money. That's enough on clicks. After restarting my browser, guys, you saw my earnings increased to $0.04, meaning I've done 4 clicks, and that's my earnings. So guys, if you want to make more money on this site, guys, you can't do clicks. Clicks are cheap. So guys, you have to do tasks. For tasks, guys, this is where most of the money is found. You have to learn how to do them, because you can't make more money with the 0.00s. You have to look for something better with these sites. With with the tasks, guys, the better they are rated better. So you see, with when you do this task, you'll get 0.02 dollars, you'll get 0.06, you'll get 0.01, 0.3, you'll get a lot of money. This is better, and this is where most of the money is found, and this is where I get most of my money, guys. So guys, even if the task says it's a survey, just try and do it. Just read the instructions and you'll be awarded that money. And guys, put in mind, guys, that if you submit wrong answers, you'll be blocked from this site, because I'll show you a screenshot of my main account that was blocked, though I created another account, and I still get money, guys. You have to do these things to get more money, because you have to have reached $5 before Thursday every week, so that the money can be cashed out to your account, to your PayPal, or the account you used to receive your money, guys. So you see, you've been given a warning. Read carefully to avoid getting your account banned. When you're banned, your account can't be retrieved and your money will go forever. So all tasks submitted are monitored by times, whatever. If you understand these warnings, tick the box below and continue to task. Okay, continue to task. So that was the first thing I had to read. So I'll choose a task here. For example, you'll click instructions. You are given instructions. To be honest with you, guys, my first account that was banned, I typed this one. I just typed 1 and I was banned, so I didn't get why did they tell me to type the number 1, and I was blocked. I don't want to risk this account too, so guys, you'll just have to read the instructions and do the task. They're not hard, guys. It's just that I'm not ready to lose it, because I'm not in the right sense to do it right now. You have to be ready to do them. So guys, that's all about tasks. And guys, if you can see, the tasks money available is $2.017. If you complete all these tasks, guys, you'll get $2.017. But my thoughts are, you can just do, let's say, 0.05 or $1. If you make $1 per day, you can leave the site. So guys, that's all about how it works and how you have to work. Guys, if you want to add your payment method, you'll click on those 3 lines, go to settings, then click payment methods. It's the third one. Click it, then we can read the few instructions there. You'll have to read them, because if I read, I'll be wasting time. Guys, there are so many payment methods. There's PayPal, Paye, Visa, and all these, guys. You can use any. So I use PayPal, so you'll just click here and select the payment. I click PayPal, and you'll have to produce your PayPal address. I can use any. So guys, yeah, that's how to add your payment method, guys. Guys, this is my main account, guys, so I'll take you through I have just shown you this account, show you guys it's possible, it's workable. Don't be lazy, you just have to put more effort, guys. It's not that easy though, but you'll make money, guys. It's a real thing. I've made money out of it, and you'll make money out of it too if you just become somehow, if you just put more effort. Just be okay. You won't make money if you won't make enough money if you become lazy on that site. But if you just do more tasks, leave alone the clicks, you'll make money, guys. Because let me tell you, the $4.412, I made it out of tasks, guys, and just a few surveys. Yeah, guys, this is the total earnings I've made out of this site. So this is realistic. You can't make $100 doing it manually. Maybe if you're using a bot, maybe. But about the bots, guys, you have to do your own research. I don't know about that, guys. If I come across a good bot, I might bring it to you guys, but as for now I don't have a bot. That's why I'm making this. But if you have a bot, guys, I'm sure you'll get more money. And at the moment I have $4, so I have to work more hard so that I can get $5, so that can be deposited on my account, guys. So the total amount of money I've been paid is $8.920. That's why, guys, I still have $4.492 in my account. So, guys, I think that's enough about the evidence of how you'll make money, and if it can make money, guys, I think that can help you guys to work. Yeah, guys, and also, guys, I'll have to show you my account that was banned, guys. Yeah, so that you can't make mistakes, guys. If you get banned, let's say you have the $4 in your account and get banned, guys, you won't be given the $4, guys. So, guys, just be careful. Let me just give you a proof that you can be banned. Yes, I was banned. So, guys, on that day I had not made much, guys. So guys, on that day I had not made much though, but this account was banned. So let me show you the screenshot of the ban, guys. So, guys, I woke up that morning and the account was just telling me this: your account's disabled for the following reasons. And, guys, even if you contact the support system after being banned, even though they said their support system is all blah blah blah, guys, you won't be helped. Your account, you'll just have to create a new account, guys, and start all over again. But, guys, that should not what should I say, but that should not discourage you, guys. Just go try, do your things, and you'll make money, guys. Every site I bring here, you'll make money out of it, guys. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, take me to 1,000 subscribers, and I'll be so grateful, guys. I hope this video was helpful till this point. I hope you got something out of this. And, guys, bye till we meet next time on my next upload, guys. Remember, this Timebucks works worldwide, guys. Yeah, because just as it said, changing the world, it didn't say a specific country, guys.
Thank you, guys, for staying till this far. Till we meet next time on my next upload. On my next upload, guys, I'll bring to you apps you can use to make money using your phone, guys. So please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye till we meet next time on my next upload.